Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to randomize numbers in Excel. First, open your Excel file. Select a cell and you're going to enter the equal sign, then the ranBetween function. Now enter the desired range of numbers. When you press enter, you will see a number in that range. You can drag that cell and you will see that random numbers will be assigned. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.